Create a bootable USB disk with our RHEL9 image and boot the system with it. Select the installation language. Next, you will be provided with the installation summary page as shown. Be sure to select the installation destination icon. Navigate to the bottom and check the option that Encrypt My Data. You will be prompted to provide a passphrase. Ensure that all the key parameters are configured. Finally, click Begin Installation. During the installation, the Lux encryption will be applied to the entire root file system. Once the installation is complete, reboot the system. Enter your passphrase and hit Enter to continue with the booting process.
Please subscribe and check out more content from us.